we'll kick this tour off in my foyer. But before we go any further, guys, I do want to say welcome and welcome back. I'm Nita at Nita's Home and Lifestyle TV. If you are new, then welcome. But if you are a returning family member, child, welcome back. Dust your feet off and come on in. And so, guys, you are now looking at my fall living room. And what I'll do is take you throughout the house and share with you my fall decor for this room, for my kitchen, the den, the dining room, my bedroom, and my bedroom sitting area. And so, guys, I wanted to give you one last glimpse of my fall home before I start to dismantle all of this fall decor, because we are fastly approaching Thanksgiving, and before you know it, in a blink of an eye, Christmas will be here. So I do want to start preparing for Christmas. Guys, it's going to be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm so excited and ready to show you guys how I'm going to decorate my house for Christmas. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have not hit that notification bell, go ahead and hit that as well so that you will not miss out on any of these upcoming Christmas videos. I want to also give a big thank you to my new subscribers. You guys have been pouring in, and I just want to say I really, really thank you. I appreciate you guys. But I also want to say to my current family members, my current subscribers who have been watching, who have been faithfully supporting me, I want to say thank you guys so much. I love you, and I could not do it without you. Guys, I do also want to let you know that in this video, you may see some things that are slightly different from the original fall videos for some of the rooms, because I am constantly changing things around and switching up decor pieces and taking them from one room to the other room. So if you have not seen the original fall videos, be sure to go ahead and check them out. There is an entire fall playlist. I will link that playlist here in the cards above. So be sure to go ahead and watch all of my fall videos before we head into Christmas. So I will leave you to finish the video. I hope you enjoy. And as always, until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.